एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी
बचा?
नहीं गया.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Petal and Drink Drink. I am Vijay and in today's video we're going to learn how to replace the scratch lens of an Insta360 X5 action camera. So let's get started. So you can buy this lens replacement kit from their official website. And now let's open the box. These are the contents in the box. The actual lens with the suction cup, a blower, lens holder, a tool to remove the lens, a brush, cleaning wipes and lens cloth, and finally a user manual.
To begin with, keep the scratched or the damaged lens upwards on a cloth. On your camera, you will notice a white color dot above the microphone. So all you have to do is, using the lens removal holder, there is a orange color dot which has to align with this. Now as you see, the orange dot has aligned with the white dot. But before we begin, I want to caution, do this exercise in a dust-free environment and switch off the fan so there is no dust blowing around and it doesn't damages the lens. Now hold the camera from the bottom and with the help of the holder, you rotate it twice in the anti-clock direction. And as you can see, we have the lens ring which is attached to the holder. Using this tool, lift the lens gently and remove the damaged lens. Using the blower, remove the dust so there are no particles left on the lens surface. And with the brush, if there are any extra dust particles left, you can gently remove it. Lastly, with the help of the cleaning wipe, just wipe the surface of the lens. With the dry cloth, just clean the surface of the lens once again and you're done. And now I have the new lens with me. Hold this lens with the help of a suction cup. Ensure you don't put your fingerprints inside and place it on the camera. We won't remove the suction cup now unless we're sure the lens has been aligned and placed properly. We have this holder back in action. We'll keep it here gently and then rotate it in the clockwise direction holding the camera. Do this twice and then you gently lift the holder and the lens has been now fixed. As you can see, the white dot is aligned perfectly at 6 o'clock position over the microphone as it was before, and you have a quick check whether the lens is aligned properly and the ring is also perfect position, and once you're satisfied you can remove the suction cup. After replacing the lens, switch on the camera, go to settings, and this is the most important part of lens replacement, which is called as stitching calibration. However, to start calibration process, you should go to an open environment with no objects in the surroundings. After pressing the calibration button and you are in the open environment, extend the arm and ensure the camera lens is facing upwards and it's not in the side direction. It will take 10 seconds for the camera to calibrate automatically. However, if it's not required, it will tell you calibration not required and it will show you a confirm button on the screen. So friends, I'm very happy because my scratch lens is now replaced. You can do this by yourself at your home. It is a very simple and straightforward process. I hope this video helped you. And if you want to buy this lens from their official website, you can buy it using my code, and the affiliate link is in the description, as well as I've pinned it in the first comment. And share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.